Privacy matters more than ever, and message leaks can cause big problems. That's why Facebook Messenger added secret conversations for iOS and Android. In this video, we'll show you how to use Facebook's message encryption to keep your chats secure. Part 1. The way to encrypt Facebook messages on Android. Enable secret conversations. Only Android and iOS users can do this. Tap your profile photo secret conversation, then toggle it on. If you want to turn off the function, you can switch off the button to disable it. Start a secret conversation on Android. Tap Send Messages, choose a contact, open their info, and select Go to Secret Conversation. Encrypt existing messages. In Messages, select the conversation, tap the info icon, and choose Go to Secret Conversation to encrypt it. Part 2. How to verify the encrypted Facebook messages. Find out the contact who is having the secret conversation with you. Then tap on the info icon, and you will see two keys: your key and the receiver's key. Compare the device keys on your device with those on your contact's device. Part 3. What can you send in a secret conversation? Set disappearing messages. Open a secret conversation, tap disappearing message, and choose when it should vanish. The message will auto-delete from both devices. Part 4. How to delete the secret conversation on Messenger. Tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. Select Secret Conversations, tap on Delete Secret Conversation, and hit on Delete All.